To the same old fight, chains in my head holding me tight, but every new morning is a fresh start. New chance to chase what's in my heart. Small steps, but I give them great love. No more waiting for the world above. The limits are only in my mind. I break them every time. Be the change you wanna see. Where there is love, miracles come free. We create the future, not just dream. I act boldly, nothing's stopping me. Hey, yo, be the change. Hey, yo, be the change. Yo, feel the flame. The future ain't something we discover, nah, it's something we build with blood, sweat, and hunger. Act bold, no fear running in my veins. Every sunrise burns away the old chains. Do small things with a giant heart. That spark, turn nothing into something. Light up the dark, no more excuses, no more standing on the side. I push through the fire, I rewrite my life.